This is a review of the Spirit of St. Louis, and it is a 1/48 scale model by Revell. Some details there about the plane and about Charles Lindbergh, and those are the colors needed there. We have our pilots, do seated or standing. We build the cockpit. We put the fuselage together with that cockpit inside. Put our stabilizer on there. Towards the tail skid. Landing gears assembled and installed. Then our wheels. Next, the engine is assembled there, and it's mounted onto the nose, and then the wings are built, and then the struts are put on, and the door either open or closed. I had mine open because I wanted to see the detail. So this is the decal paint guide. Here is the completed model, and it's a decent size. The wings are fairly easy to put together. You can see the decals went on very nicely. Here's the underside with our pitot tube. You can see here the detail of the engine. And this, I never had to glue the propeller and spinner on. The decals didn't come out quite like I'd hoped. The decals are supposed to give you that burnished aluminum look, and I chose to do mine as the original without the flags. Those flags are only added later. There's no front windshield. He does have a side glass that he used to look through to see where he was going. There's the door, and I've got our guy on there. You can see here that I actually flexed the elevator and the tail to give it a slight angle. And there's our man, Charles Lindbergh. And I actually added some additional detail in this cockpit. Hopefully show the wire and tubing that they actually had in there. So it's a little difficult to see. And most of it's hidden. But all in all, this is a very easy model to build, and it has a nice result.